Turning now to the pandemic and new numbers just released by the Oregon Health Authority, which is now reporting 340 new cases in Oregon, no new deaths. This brings the total number of positive cases in the state to more than 17,000. And that yellow line in the graph shows the average number of cases since reporting began. Fox 12 is your school authority ahead of the new school year, and many right now are asking, is it possible for kids to return to school safely come the fall?
So many people are asking this, and many teachers say the way COVID-19 cases are going right now, it's simply not possible. Fox 12's Bridget Chavez is live in Salem at the state capitol. And Bridget, a protest was held today there to keep schools closed, right?
Yes, we counted at least 150 cars filled with teachers and family members opposing opening schools this fall. Teachers and even students are saying they don't feel safe returning in person. I'm also hearing from teachers that it's physically impossible for them to socially distance in classrooms. Hundreds of protesters urging state leaders to keep schools closed this fall. Even some students like Owen Courtney Vera are joining in.
In my city, we're already closed down. We're not going to go back into school. We're going to do it online. But that's not enough. I think the whole state should shut down, not go inside, and just do it online.
The group Oregon Safe Return to Schools says it wants state leaders to only allow counties to reopen schools for in-person learning when it has 14 consecutive days of zero COVID-19 cases in their county.
As a public servant, as a public educator, I believe that it's our responsibility to not only educate our students in our community, but also to take the best possible care of them that we can.
Alex Candida teaches 5th grade and is also a dad. He supports starting with a fully online model.
I'm a public servant. I will show up for my job. I will not put my own children in that situation. They will be homeschooled for the year. If the decision is to go to either hybrid or full in-person before we're able to meet the health requirements that the CDC and that the Oregon Health Authority and that the Oregon Department of Education have laid out for us.
There are critics who say online learning could be detrimental to students' social and emotional well-being. But Tom Beeman, who taught for more than 30 years, says it's still not worth the risk.
Their lives outweigh their social interactions. Humans existed for millennia without organized schools. We can do it.
Multnomah County Health Officer Jennifer Vines also reports that right now more young people are getting infected.
The average age has dropped. We now see the age group of 10 to 19-year-olds with the highest relative rate of positivity. So this group is not tested as often, but their test positivity is high.
Dr. Vines says that later this week, Governor Kate Brown is expected to release more guidelines on how schools can reopen this fall. Reporting live from Salem, Bridget Chavez, Fox 12 Oregon.